Welcome to the Pima Air and Space Museum. My name's Andrew, I'm Director of Collections and Exhibits. Here we're in front of the museum's Vought F4U Corsair. I'm going to talk a little bit about how the Corsair influenced my interest in history, aviation history, and led me to where I am now here at the museum. As a kid, I was always interested in World War II history, but the Corsair really captured my mind. Watching reruns of Black Sheep Squadron on TV, the Corsair was one of the first models I ever built. Built a model of that and a model of a Zero and would have mock dog fights in my living room and in our backyard. The first time that I saw Corsair in the wild, shall we say, was at an air show in Geneseo in the late 80s. The Canadian Warplane Heritage Museum flew their Corsair down, and seeing that thing take off for the first time just really captured my attention and solidified this being my favorite aircraft of World War II. It kind of led to me on a path of volunteering at museums, studying history, getting my master's in museum studies, and eventually getting a job here at the Pima Air and Space Museum back in 2005, where I was an archivist and a collections tech. I was finally working at a museum with a Corsair, as well as, well, now close to 400, or over 400, I should say, other aircraft in this collection. This is really a great place, and if you ever get a chance to come here and visit, I highly recommend it. If you like airplanes and you like history, you will not be disappointed. So this aircraft here is on loan from the National Museum of the United States Marine Corps. It's an F4U. F4U-4s went into service at the very end of World War II. Some saw service, but they were mostly in combat in the Korean War. We're in front of the museum's Vought. Oh, I want to say chance Vought, but it's not a chance Vought. It's a Vought. You're going to have some outtakes this time. Welcome to the Pima Air and Space Museum. My name's Andrew. Today we're in front of our... Let's start over again.